So let us see this Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, which are three functionalities and governed by physiological, or they govern all the physiological, spiritual, psychological processes. They each have 5 subdivisions delicately intervened in itself. 5 subdivisions we will talk about later. Ayurveda describes in great details as how they function and how to keep them in balance, and also how to bring them into balance when they are out of balance. Because in Ayurveda, it is simply said, like I said, that sutra, it is simply said that if you can balance your Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, there will be no disease in your body ever in your life. Ever in your life. Okay, if you can balance your Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, there will be no more disease in your life. Simple. Okay, cool. But how to balance it, that is a science. Okay, it is not that easy. You have to be conscious all the time, right? And then I will discuss about something yoga